When it comes to email outreach, sales professionals need a reliable platform that streamlines their workflow and maximizes results. Yesware has long been a staple for many sales teams, but does it still hold up? In this review, we'll break down Yesware's features, benefits, pricing, challenges, and how it compares to some alternatives. What is Yesware? So Yesware is a sales engagement platform designed to optimize email outreach and streamline communication for sales teams. It integrates directly with email clients like Gmail and Outlook, offering features like email tracking, automation, and campaign management. One of the reasons people love Yesware is the fact that you can embed essential tools directly into your email interface, which makes it super easy to integrate into any workflow. Why Yesware's features matter for sales professionals. In the fast-paced world of sales, timing, personalization, and strategic outreach can make or break a deal. Having the right tools in your corner is a game changer. That's where Yesware steps in. With its suite of innovative features, Yesware helps sales professionals stay organized, save time, and connect with prospects more effectively. Key features of Yesware. Number 1, email tracking. Yesware's email tracking feature notifies users when recipients open emails, click on links, or view attachments. This real-time visibility helps sales teams identify engaged prospects and follow up at the right time. The tool also provides metrics like reply rates, which can be used to fine-tune communication strategies over time. Benefits include it improves the timing of follow-ups. It enables sales teams to focus on warm leads. It offers detailed insights into recipient behavior, tracks engagement trends over campaigns. But tracking alone isn't enough. Once you know who's engaging, how can you efficiently reach out without starting from scratch every single time? Number 2, email templates and campaign automation. So sales reps can save time using Yesware's customizable email templates. These templates can be deployed for personalized outreach or used in automated campaigns that handle follow-ups and reminders. Automation capabilities also extend to behavioral triggers, allowing for more targeted and efficient communication. The benefits include the fact that this simplifies repetitive tasks. It ensures consistency in communication, and it helps maintain a professional tone. It also reduces manual effort with robust automation. Even with email automation in place, relying on a single channel can limit your reach. To truly maximize your outreach, you need to meet prospects where they are. Feature number 3, multi-channel campaigns. Yesware supports outreach across various platforms, allowing users to engage prospects through their preferred channels. By incorporating multi-channel strategies, users can ensure that their messaging is seen by a broader audience. Benefits are it diversifies communication strategies. It enhances overall effectiveness of outreach. It maximizes touch points with prospects. And of course, managing campaigns across multiple channels can get overwhelming without the proper tools in place. Thankfully, Yesware's integrations make everything seamless and accessible. Number 4, integration with tools. Yesware integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Salesforce, LinkedIn, and Zoom. However, some features like Salesforce integration are limited to some of their higher tiered plans. The tool's Chrome extension and Outlook add-ons make these integrations more accessible without requiring extensive technical setup. The benefits are that it streamlines workflow by centralizing tools. It reduces the need for switching between platforms. It supports integration with CRMs for enhanced data management. So having the right tools integrated into your workflow is critical, but it's the data behind those tools that really drives results. Number 5, analytics and reporting. So Yesware offers comprehensive analytics, including metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and campaign performance. These insights help users refine their strategies for better results. The reporting dashboard is intuitive and allows for customization based on team goals and KPIs. The benefits include that this provides actionable data. It simplifies A/B testing for emails. It tracks individual and team performance as well. Offers insights for long-term strategy optimization. Moving into pricing plans. So Yesware's pricing structure includes a free plan and 3 paid tiers. The free plan includes basic email tracking and up to 10 campaign recipients per month. The pro plan is $15 per seat per month, and this adds unlimited email tracking, 20 recipients per campaign, and activity reports. The premium plan at $35 per seat per month includes team reporting, centralized billing, and unlimited teams. The enterprise plan at $65 per seat per month offers Salesforce integration and trusted IP ranges. All those prices are the annual pricing, which does offer a discount. For larger organizations, the enterprise plan provides essential tools for scaling operations and managing complex campaigns. Strengths of Yesware. Now, if you want to get started with Yesware, we'll have a link for it down in the description where you can go ahead and click on that link, which will bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get started with Yesware for free. So you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. Ease of use. Yesware's user-friendly interface and seamless integration with email clients make it accessible to users of all skill levels. The platform also provides onboarding resources like tutorials and knowledge bases to help get new users started quickly. Number 2, comprehensive features. From email tracking to automation, Yesware provides tools that cater to the needs of sales teams. Features like multi-channel campaigns and advanced analytics are particularly valuable, and the combination of simplicity and robust functionality sets it apart from many of its competitors. Challenges and limitations. Number 1, limited free plan. While the free plan allows users to test Yesware's core features, it's heavily restricted. Most advanced functionalities are locked behind paid tiers, making it difficult for smaller teams to access more robust tools without committing to a subscription. Number 2, customization constraints. Users have reported difficulties customizing email templates and campaigns. The inability to edit outbound campaigns after launch can be a significant drawback, especially for teams that frequently tweak messaging based on feedback. Number 3, customer support issues. Multiple reviews mention slow or unresponsive customer support. This can be frustrating for users encountering technical issues or just seeking some general assistance. A lack of real-time support options further exasperates this problem. Number 4, price to value ratio. The higher tier plans may not justify their cost for smaller teams, especially when competing tools offer similar features at a lower price. User sentiments. Reviews for Yesware are generally positive, with many praising its core features. However, there are recurring complaints about bugs, spam detection, and customer support. Alternatives to Yesware. Number 1, Mixmax. Advanced email automation and scheduling. Sleek user interface, and pricing starts at $34 per user per month. Outreach. It's a comprehensive sales engagement platform with a strong focus on team collaboration. Number 3, Woodpecker. Specializes in cold email campaigns. Offers advanced A/B testing and personalization. Pricing starts at $20 per month. SalesLoft. Excellent for large teams with complex needs, robust reporting and integration features, custom pricing available on request. And number 5, Pipedrive. Combines CRM functionality with email engagement tools. Simple interface, which is ideal for small and medium-sized businesses. Pricing starts at $14 per month. Final verdict. Is Yesware worth it? Yesware is a great tool for sales teams who want to level up their email outreach without overcomplicating things. It's easy to use, tracks emails reliably, and provides helpful insights to boost your results. That said, it may not be the best fit for smaller teams or individuals, especially if you're looking for more flexibility or better customer support. Now, what are your thoughts on Yesware? Let us know down in the comments below. If you use the tool, share your experience to help others make an informed decision. And if you want to get started with Yesware, we'll have a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this when you use them. So we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.